Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So I haven't picked a master lock in God knows how long, and seeing as LockPickingLawyer sent me this one, I thought we'd give it a go. It's the series 6835, so very similar to the American 1100. So it all works, even feels very much like the 1100 putting the key in. Difference is it's painted rather than a anodized finish. There's the bitting on the key. There we go. And the keyway. So let's get this stuck in the vise and give it a go. So still all locked up. There we go. And let's give it a whirl. So I'm going to treat it quite like an American. You see how much the core flops around in there. So I'm going to start off gentle tension. Let's just swivel this a fraction and see what we can find. Right, 1 and 2, nothing. 3, 4. Right, a bit more tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing really. Right, 1, we got click. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Right, we've got a click out of 1, click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 4, and a click out of 5, and there we go. Right, let's have a butcher's, see what we've got inside here. So I'll try and be quick because my battery light's just started flashing yet again. So what have we got? Screw in there. Oh, that was tight. And there we go. And we do have a clip on the back. So we've got the key, so lock it up. One clip. Key in. Follower. And looks like we do have a 6-pin core, only pinned up with 5. Standard, 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 and up top we have, that'll be the front. We have a spool in 1, spool in 2, spool in 3. These are plain spools, not serrated spools like the Americans. and spools all the way through. No, sorry, that's, well, whether you could actually call that a serrated or not. Let's see if we get a close up. There are a couple of lines on it, but that is as good as it gets. So there was a master. I think I might toughen this up a bit before it all goes back together. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.